Hi friends, we are in my closet because I want to show you my new acrylic invisible hangers. So let me open it with you. Came in this box. This one came in these two boxes and are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I are 10 in our training hangers. And let's go open. So these ones are the hangers. As you can see, this transparent acrylic is perfect. I feel that like a strong material are sturdy and look perfect in your room because are invisible and look elegant. And you can hang wet clothes if you need it. And are an excellent product to save in a space in your closet. So let me show you. This is my closet, and as you can see, I have so many colors of hangers, so I need to use this so quickly because I want to my closet look more elegant and similar all the things. So I'm gonna turn it off, this one, and I just wanna use this new acrylic transparent hangers. Looks beautiful. Look at this. So if you wanna a perfect closet or saving a space and looks beautiful, I highly recommended these hangers. See you!